So, hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make this mini Lego R2D2. And actually it's not too many, because if you compare it to Lego Human, but anyways. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so let's get started. So, to build the R2D2, these are the pieces you'll need. A 2x2 circle piece, transparent stud, two by two jumper plate, and a 2x2 disc. Those are the pieces you'll need for the top of the R2D2. Now you'll need a all-sided snot brick and a cylinder piece thingy. Those are for the pieces of the inside of the R2D2. You'll need 4 jumper plates, 3 hinge pieces, and 3 grids. So let's get started. First, you'll take your snot brick and take your cylinder piece thingy and stick it through. So you don't want to stick it through all the way. More of the cylinder thingy on the top, less on the bottom. And then there are 4 jumper plates and put them on all sides of R2D2 so far. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Now, take your 2x2, stick it on the robot or your creation so far. This is what it should look like. Now you can take your 2x2 jumper plate and your disc and stick them together like that. Now take it and stick it, and now take that and stick it on your robot. Don't put it on all the way, leave some space. Okay, so now take your stud and stick it, transparent stud, remember? And stick it on like that. So the top will be slightly tilted. Now you can take your 3 grids, take one of them, stick it on the back, take the other 2 and stick it on, make sure they're tilted a little. Okay, so now you take your hinge pieces and stick them on your robot. Take your last and put it on that teensy little part sticking out. And if you put it on, you should have that. Okay, and then there's R2D2. Bye, thank you for watching this video.